Ever found yourself tangled in the web of traditional banking, dreaming of a simpler, more accessible way to manage your money? Maybe you've heard whispers of online banks, institutions that operate without the brick-and-mortar baggage, promising convenience and often better rates. And perhaps one name has popped up in your research: Ally Bank. So, the burning question on your mind, the one that likely led you to click on this video, is this: can you actually open an Ally Bank account entirely online? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the process of opening an Ally Bank account, exploring every step, highlighting the benefits, and addressing any potential roadblocks you might encounter. Consider this your comprehensive guide to joining the Ally Bank community from the comfort of your own home. Before we jump into the how, let's briefly touch upon the why behind online banking and why Ally Bank, in particular, has garnered so much attention. Traditional banks, while familiar, often come with fees, monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, ATM fees, that can slowly erode your balance. They also typically have higher overhead costs associated with maintaining physical branches, which can translate to less competitive interest rates on savings accounts. Online banks, on the other hand, operate with significantly lower overhead. This allows them to offer several advantages. Higher interest rates. Without the expense of maintaining numerous branches, online banks can often afford to offer more attractive annual percentage yields, APYs, on savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs. This means your money can work harder for you. Lower fees. Many online banks, including Ally, pride themselves on transparency and often have fewer or no monthly maintenance fees, ATM fees, through reimbursements, or other common banking charges. Convenience. The ability to manage your finances anytime, anywhere, through a user-friendly website or mobile app is a significant draw. No more rushing to a branch during limited business hours. Accessibility. Opening an account online is typically a straightforward process that can be completed in minutes, regardless of your location, within the bank's service area. Ally Bank has established itself as a prominent player in the online banking landscape. Known for its competitive rates, no-nonsense fee structure, and strong customer service, it's a compelling option for those looking to embrace digital banking. But is the account opening process as seamless as the rest of their services? Let's find out. The answer, in short, is a resounding yes. You can absolutely open an Ally Bank account online. In fact, it's the primary way most customers interact with the bank. Ally Bank doesn't have physical branches in the traditional sense, so their entire infrastructure is built around providing a robust and efficient online experience. Now, let's walk through the typical steps involved in opening an Ally Bank account online. Keep in mind that while the exact screens and wording might vary slightly at any given time, the general process remains consistent. Step 1. Navigating to the Ally Bank website. Your journey begins by heading to the official Ally Bank website. You can easily find it by searching for Ally Bank on any search engine. Once you land on their homepage, you'll typically see clear calls to action like open an account or similar. Click on this button to begin the application process. Step 2. Choosing your account type. Ally Bank offers a range of account types to suit different financial needs. You'll likely be presented with options such as Ally Bank Online Savings Account, known for its competitive APY and no minimum balance. Ally Bank Spending Account. Checking account comes with a debit card and access to a large network of ATMs, with fee reimbursement. Ally Bank Money Market Account combines features of savings and checking, often offering higher interest rates than a traditional savings account with some check writing and debit card access. Ally Bank Certificates of Deposit, CDs, fixed-term investments with guaranteed interest rates. Ally Invest Accounts, for brokerage and investment needs. Carefully review the features and benefits of each account type to determine which best aligns with your financial goals. For instance, if you're primarily looking to grow your savings, the online savings account might be the most suitable. If you need a daily spending account with a debit card, the spending account is the way to go. Once you've decided on the accounts you want to open, you'll select that option to proceed. You can often open multiple accounts during the same online application process. Step 3. providing your personal information. This is a crucial step where you'll need to provide accurate and up-to-date personal details. This typically includes your full name, as it appears on your government-issued identification, your residential address, your current physical address, not a P.O. box, your date of birth, to verify your age, your Social Security number, SSN, or taxpayer identification number, TIN. This is required for identification and tax reporting purposes. Your phone number, for communication purposes. Your email address, this will be your primary point of contact for account-related information. Be prepared to enter this information carefully and double-check for any typos before submitting. Accuracy is key to ensuring a smooth account opening process. Step 4. Creating your online profile. As part of the application, you'll likely be asked to create an online profile. This will involve choosing a username and a strong, secure password that you will use to access your account online and through the mobile app. You might also be asked to set up security questions and answers for added protection. Step 5. Funding your account. Most banks require an initial deposit to activate your new account. Ally Bank typically offers several ways to fund your account online. Electronic funds transfer, EFT, from an existing bank account. You'll provide the routing number and account number of an external bank account to transfer funds electronically. This is a common and convenient method. Mobile check deposit. If you're opening a spending or money market account, you might be able to deposit a check using Ally's mobile app by taking a picture of the front and back of the check. Wire transfer. For larger initial deposits, you might have the option to initiate a wire transfer from another financial institution. The minimum initial deposit, if any, will vary depending on the type of account you're opening. Ally Bank is generally known for having no or very low minimum deposit requirements for many of their accounts. Step 6. Reviewing and submitting your application. Before you finalize your application, you'll have the opportunity to review all the information you've provided. Take this time to carefully check for any errors or omissions. Once you're confident that everything is accurate, you'll need to read and agree to the bank's terms and conditions. After acknowledging these terms, you can submit your application electronically. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.